Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp messages not sending. First, check your internet connection. Messages won't send without a stable connection. Next, look for clock icon next to the messages that you are going to send, which indicates that it hasn't been sent due to connection issues. Then try switching networks or reconnecting to Wi-Fi. Head over to your settings app, then go to general and then go to date and time, and make sure that you've set the phone's date and time correctly, as incorrect settings can cause sending issues. Next, restart the app or your phone and try sending the message again. Also, ensure that the app is updated. Head over to your app store or your play store, search for WhatsApp, and then make sure that the app is updated to the latest version, and outdated versions are often the cause of messages not being sent. If messages still do not send, check if WhatsApp servers are temporarily down and try again later. That's how you fix WhatsApp messages not sending. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide.